Good morning, dear students. As we know that we are doing statistics chapter number 14. We have done exercise 14.1, 14.2 and 14.3. These exercises are based on histogram. We have to make the histogram, frequency, polygon and bar graph also. Now in this exercise in chapter 14, exercise 14.4, three things are there. First one is mean, and then median, and then mode. So how we can find the mean of any observation? So mean is like an average. Average means sum of all observation divided by number of observations. So we can say that the definition of mean is, we can write it like this: mean is equal to sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Students, sum of all observation divided by number of observation means how we can find the mean. Suppose let us take an example. Suppose some numbers are given like this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. Suppose we have to find the mean of these numbers. So how we can find the mean? Mean means sum of all observation. First we will add all the numbers: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3. I have written it. You can write it here: total number of observation. Means total number of observation. How many total numbers are here? How many numbers are here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So students, we will divide it by 6. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 and 2 13, 13 and 3 16, 16 divided by 6. That is 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16. So you can write it 8 by 3. Either you can write it in the decimal form also: 3 2 is 6, 3 6 is 18. Means we can do it like this. So these things we have to do. Okay students, now the second thing is students, second one is median. How we can find the median? Student, median means there are two formulas for finding the median. First of all, what we have to do for finding the medians? We have to do that first thing, that arrange the sequence in ascending order. You have to do it first. Arrange the sequence in ascending order. In this we are finding median. So for median we have to arrange the sequence in ascending order. I will tell you after this. First we have to write the formulas for finding the median. Arrange the sequence in ascending order, and then after this there are two formulas there. First one, second one. First one is when the number of observations are odd numbers means 1 3 5 7 like this, which are not divided by 2, and the even numbers are the numbers which are divided by 2. So we can say that these are the even numbers. So first thing is that odd ones. If the n is equal to odd numbers, so how we can find the median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term. And under the second one, if the number of observations are even. So students, there are two formulas you have to write in your notebook. Median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. 4 divided by 2. Either you can say that the mean of the n by 2th term and plus n upon 2 plus 1th term means n upon 2th term means, student, means suppose first term is there, so it will be the second term. if third 3 is coming here, so it will be the fourth, because n upon 2th plus we are finding n upon 2 plus 1th term. I have written it here term because we have to find the term also after arranging the sequence of the series. So student, you can note down these two formulas. So how we can find the median? Let us take an example. Student, now the example is, suppose a sequence is like this: 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, like this. So I have told you earlier that first we have to arrange the sequence in ascending order for finding the median. It is necessary, it is compulsory to write the ascending the series, because we are finding n upon 2th term like this, and plus n upon 2 plus 1th term means, so we have to arrange the series first. So here we can see that the series is like this: 1, 2, 4, 3 and 5. Now we have to write the in arranging the sequence. So when we will arrange the sequence, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have arranged the sequence in ascending order. Now students, I have told you that two formulas are there. First one is for odd one and second one is for even. So here we have to observe that how many numbers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So means 5 means n is equal to 5, that means odd. So students, what we will do for finding the odd one, what we have to do? Median is equal to, I have written that formula, that n plus 1 upon 2th term. So student, n plus 1 upon 2th term means, and how many numbers are here? N is equal to 5. So what we will do? 5 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 upon 2 is third term. So student, third term, what is the third term here? 1, 2, 3. This is the third term, so the median is equal to 3. So we have to do it like this. Similarly, if the even one is given, so you can use the formula n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term, like this we have to do it. So median is equal to, it is coming 3. Median means it is the mid value. So the mid value of this sequence is 3 is here. So answer is 3 is coming. So these are the mean and median. Now student, third one is the mode. How we can find the mode of a sequence? So general formula for finding the mode is, in 9th class only this much is there, and in 10th class there are a lot of formulas for finding the mode. In 9th class only you have to write this: mode is equal to maximum number of frequency occur. Maximum number of frequency occur. What is the meaning of this, student? Maximum number of frequency occur means which number is coming more time, that is the mode. Suppose I am taking an example: 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 3. So student, what we have to find? We have to find the mode. How we can find the mode? With the help of this 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 3. These are the numbers it is given. I have written it here that maximum number of frequency occur. Maximum number of frequency occur means which number is coming more time. So we can observe it here. 1 is coming 1, 2, 3. 1 is coming 3 times. 2 is coming only 1 time. 3 is coming 2 times. 4 is coming 1 time, and 5 is coming 1 time. So maximum number of frequency occur is 1, 1 and 1. So you can write it here: mode is equal to 1. So student, we can write it: mode is equal to 1. That these are the three things: first mean, and second is median, and third is mode. And in mean and mode there is no use of sequencing. In a sequence we have to write in ascending order or that one, but in the median we have to write the sequence in ascending or descending order. So we are writing in ascending order because it is good for us for solve the question. So always you have to write the sequence in ascending order. Now students, we will start exercise 14.4. We will do it now. Now student, exercise 14.4. Now question number 1. It is given in your book. You can check in your book also. That first question is, the following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. Total matches are 10 matches. 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Find the mean, median and mode of the scores. Means in this series we have to find mean, median and mode. All the three things we have to find. So first we will write the sequence. Sequence is given that 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4 and 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3 and 4, 3. This is the sequence now students. So first what we have to do, we have to find all the three things. For finding the mean, we have to write the formula first. Mean is equal to, again I am writing the formula. If you will write the formula 2 or 3 or 4 times, you can understand the formula. So sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Now the students, sum of all observation means we have to add all the things. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. And it is given in your book that 10 matches are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total matches are 10. So we have to calculate it. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9, 5, 14, 14 and 1, 15, 15, 3, 18, 18, 3, 21, 21 and 4, 25, and 25 and 3, 28. So 28 by 10. So this is coming 2.8. So this is the mean. So what we have done, sum of all observations divided by total number of observations, means this we have added. So 28 by 10 is equal to 2.8. Now the second part is we have to find the median. Now we will find the median student. For median finding, I have told you earlier that what we have to do first, we have to write the sequence in ascending order. So first we will write, arrange the sequence in ascending order. Arrange the sequence in ascending order. By arranging you can write it by arranging the sequence in ascending order. Ascending order means student lower to higher numbers. So first number is here 0, then 1 is here, then 2 is here, 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after 2 4s are here. We can write it 4 4, and 1 5 is here. So we have to count this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our series is right. So now students, I have told you that two formulas are there for finding the median. One is odd one and one is the even one. So we have to calculate the numbers. How many matches are there? Matches, we know that 10 numbers are there. So n is equal to 10 is coming. N is equal to 10. It means 10 means even. Even numbers are those that type of numbers which are divided by 2. So how we can find median? Again I am writing the formula. You can learn it by writing again and again. N upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So student, n upon 2th term means n is equal to 10 we have written. So we can write it 10 upon 2th term plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So 10 by 2th term means we can write it 5th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1 means student 10 by 2 is 5th term, 5 plus 1 is 6th term whole divided by 2. Now student, the meaning of 5th term is we have to write the 5th term from this series which we have arranged in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 3 and 6th term is 3. Okay students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 3 and the 6th term is 3. So we can write it 3 plus 3 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. So the answer is coming. So the median is coming 3. So first we have to arrange the series in ascending order, student, and then we have to find how many numbers are here. If the number are even, so we can write it median is equal to n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So after finding this, we have find that median is 3. Now the last one is students mode. How we can find the mode? I am writing it here because mode is easy to find. Mode is equal to, I have told you that maximum number of frequency occurs means which number is coming most time. So we can check it here. How many numbers are here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So which one is the number? 3 is coming how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 0 is coming 1 time, 1 is coming 1 time, 2 is coming 1 time, 4 is coming 2 times, 5 is coming 1 time. So students, 3 is coming 4 times. So we can write that mode is equal to maximum number of frequency so mode is 3. So the median is coming 3 and the mode is also coming 3. So today you can pause the video and note down this. These are the formulas for finding the mean, median and mode. These things are here we have done. And now students, second question is same as this question. Second is in a mathematics test given to 15 students. The following marks out of 100 are recorded. It is given 41, 39 like this. So the 15 student marks are given. So also in this question we have to find the mean, median and mode of this data. So students, you have to find the mean, median and mode of the data with the help of this question. You can do it yourself students, because this is same as that question. Only the numbers are changed, only the digits are changed. So you can find the mean, median and mode of this data easily. Then after question number 3 is there. So we will start question number 3 now students. Now student, next question is the following observation have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 63, find the value of x. It is given that the observation have been arranged in ascending order. So what we have to do students, and the data is given and we have to find the value of x. So the numbers are 29 and 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. These numbers are given student. 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. So these things we have to do students. Now we have to first find the number of observation here, because it is given in your book that this series is already in ascending order. So we don't need to change this 29, 32, 48, 50, x and x plus 2. We don't know the value of x and x plus 2. When we will find the value of x and x plus 2, we can find the answers also, that these values will lie between these two numbers. So we can check it later. So students, first one what we have to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number of observations are 10. Here number of observations are 10 students. Number of observations 10 means this is even. Even, how we can solve? Median is equal to n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So the student n upon 2th term is, how many terms are here? 10. We can write it 10 upon 2th plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th term. Whole I have written divided by 2 is here. So this is 10 upon 2th term is 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2 is here. Now student, one thing is given that in your book, that median. I think in these types of question, when we have to find the value of x and y like this, whatever is given in your book. So how we can find the value of x and x plus 2? If the median is given, so I think median is given in your book that if the median of the data is 63. So what we will write? 63 is equal to 5th term. Now we have to observe the student 5th term. What is the 5th term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x, and the 6th term is x plus 2 divided by 2. So how we can solve it? Either we can cross multiply it, either we can solve it here also. 2x plus 2 divided by 2. When we will take 2 common, so what is left here? X plus 1, because twice of x plus 1 if I am taking, that is cancel it out. So x plus 1 is here. So I am solving it here. So x plus 1 is equal to 63. It means x is equal to 63 minus 1, that is 62. So the answer is, student, 62. So we can check the answer also. 62, देखिए 48 and 52, and then after we are writing 62 and then 64 and then 72. So it means our answer is right, because 62 and 64 will come between 50 and 72. So this is the answer. So x is equal to 62 and 62 plus 1. So what we have to find? Only the value of x, or either the numbers. We have to find only the value of x here. So we have found it, students. So note it down properly. Students, one question I have written it here, that based on that question, that 10 observations are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 observations are given. Written in ascending order, it is given same as that question. If the median of the data is 24, find the value of x. So you can do it. You can do this question in your classwork. Either you can do this question in your rough notebook, and you have to solve it. And you have to solve it yourself. And then we will tell the answer in your Google Meet also. Similarly, one more question I am giving. Suppose the question is like this: how to find the. So I am writing one more question is there that find the we can write it, find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. I have written one more question is here, student. Find the mean of first natural numbers. So you can find the mean of first natural numbers. All you know that what are the natural numbers. So student, these two questions you have to do it in your rough notebook, and you have to solve it yourself. So that's all, students. So we have done these questions. Then in next video we will do the another one questions, and you can pause the video and note it down. You can note it down and pause the video also. Either you can take a screenshot also of this one. So students, thank you for watching the video, and the next questions we will do in our next videos. Thank you students.